Coimbatore, popularly known as the Manchester of South India, is well known for industries like textiles, pumps, wet grinders, alloy steel, steel re-rolling, automotive components, educational institutions and jewellery shops. Coimbatore city is a fast emerging medical centre with multi-speciality hospitals and an important IT hub. Coimbatore people are very friendly in nature. The city boasts of a cosmopolitan outlook. Coimbatore has a pleasant and enjoyable weather. Springfield Rivera is one of the prestigious integrated housing projects of Springfield Shelters Private Limited. Springfield Rivera is an integrated housing project comprising of 192 spacious independent villas and 970 flats designed for a comfortable and luxurious living. The Springfield Rivera is located at Singanallur village in Coimbatore with many special features. Springfield Rivera is located in a strategically important place in Coimbatore, just 4 km from airport and 5 km from IT Park, 2.5 km from Singanallur bus stand and 600 meters from Trichy Road. From this location, one can have easy access to any part of the city as well as other cities using the L&T bypass, which is within 2 km radius. Springfield Rivera is aesthetically designed with wide roads and well-planned individual villas in apartments with separate compound wall and gate arranged on either side of the road for spacious, comfortable and healthy living. Springfield Rivera is equipped with 24 hours electronic surveillance and security guards to monitor all the activities within the campus and to avoid outsiders gaining entry without prior permission.
Disappeared from Biggie, and it's gone all the way to the side screen, and this is the 100 partnership as well. 109 for one. Oh, short, too short.
Springfield Rivera is provided with world-class amenities and services for the benefit of the residents' children in different age groups as well as the elderly people at home. The amphitheatre is the right place to exhibit your creative skills like dancing, singing, mimicking, etc. during special occasions. The shopping centre and restaurant gives a thorough entertainment for the members of all age groups in the family. In the mini theatre, one can enjoy his favourite star in action. Swimming pool, cricket net, tennis and badminton courts are provided to develop the sports skills of the residents. You have the clubhouse where children and elders can have the fun of playing chess, carom, table tennis, etc. You can keep your body and mind fit and strong at the gym, which is equipped with all the latest equipments. Primary Health Center will take care of your medical emergencies. Fresh for your toddlers and school for your children's educational needs. Young children can enjoy the swing, jungle gym, slide, etc. in the park, while the parents can have a jog along the jogging track with a spectacular view of the greeneries and watercourses. At Springfield Rivera, you will experience the multiple advantages of tranquil environment, world-class amenities and the best workmanship within Coimbatore city limit. Springfield is known for its customer satisfaction and high-yield capital appreciation for the customers' dwelling places. We are giving maximum open space. This gives you vast space for luxurious living. We offer you the pride of dwelling in independent villas or flats at an unbelievable affordable price. Common amenities provided in Springfield Rivera project are unmatched in the industry. Well-planned integrated township within city limits. With all these great advantages, your search for a happy, peaceful and comfortable villa or flat in Coimbatore Corporation limits comes to an end. Make this wonderful villa or flat your home. Thank you.